Generally, people do become defensive every time you give them feedback, constructive feedback at work. And so, one quick tip on how you can lower their guards so that they can be less intimidated and more receptive is to state your intentions from the very start as a leader, as a manager, why you're giving that feedback. Say something like, John, I've seen you do better than this in the past 6 months. And I'm stating this feedback because I know you can do better than this. I'm here to support you. I'm here for you to be able to improve in your performance. Or say something like, John, when I was your same age, I've had the same mistake, and I don't want the same mistake to happen to you because I care for you. I'm here to support you. When you state your intentions, you're helping the person understand that you are an ally, not their competitor.